I have here a 20-quart roasting oven. You can see it's really nice and big, has a nice lid, and it comes with everything you need to get started with cooking. So it comes with some nice instructions that give you some starting guides and also gives you some temperatures and times to cook different foods. So it's super easy to turn it on. It's on the off setting. When I plug it in, all you have to do is turn it. The light will turn on once it's plugged in. It got the keep warm setting, got defrost, and it goes all the way up to 450. So there's lots of choices and lots of ranges of how to control it. So it has a nice big lid here, and it's gonna be super easy to remove everything. Has a removable rack here. And this whole thing comes out, so it's gonna be really easy to clean and use when you're ready to do it. It also has anti-scalding handles for the lid and the two sides, so you can lift it really easily and take the lid off as you're cooking. So the roaster oven is equipped with a self-basting lid, which can continuously circulate the water evenly and distribute the heat to make the turkey or other meat you're cooking really juicy and tender. So I'm gonna cook a roast and some vegetables inside here. It's gonna be really fun to try it out and cook some food inside. So I got my roast in. I'm gonna just cook my roast first and then add some vegetables once it's almost done. I'm gonna turn it to 200 to start with for my recipe, and then I'll turn it all the way up higher in a few hours. So my food is done cooking now. I can take the lid off. It's nice and hot in here. Everything cooked perfectly, so now I can eat. So this electric roasting oven works really nice. You can put big items in here with other things, cook the meat perfectly, has great even temperature. So it's gonna be really nice for anyone that wants to cook different meats on the countertop and don't have to worry about the oven or stove. It works great and it's super easy to use.